Hi, Professor Lafakis. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to show you where you can locate your test bank and download it. I've also requested a course cartridge. I marked it urgent so that the support team would work quickly on it. But what the course cartridge allows you to do is actually upload the full test bank into Canvas and pull questions from there. But if you need to get on this right away, you can find the full test bank in Connect. So you'll go into your Management 3900 course, Library, Instructor Resources, and here you'll find the test bank. Sorry, I keep having these pop-ups. And you can download the Word files here. It will be a zip file, but then you can go in chapter by chapter. But like I said, I have requested a course cartridge, which is a file that you can use to easily upload into Canvas and then can pull questions from there. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.